The new Cummins Onan generator on the RV is super nice. You know, every racetrack we go to doesn't always have shore power, so you have to have a generator if you're going to be able to enjoy the motorhome. So for me, having the generator now has been something that's been much needed. When I bought the RV, it didn't have one, so I obviously had to get a generator so I could come to racetracks like this one where there is no power.
We're taking that storage spot that was kind of prepped for a generator, and we're turning that into a full-blown generator compartment. This is going to be the 5500 generator, so that's enough to run 2 air conditioners if need be. It's also a very quiet generator and even has some onboard diagnostics on it. I would describe the Onan generator as just the gold standard for our industry. They're very quiet, they're very reliable. The only advice I give to customers when it comes to their Onan generator is use it, because you can't wear it out. If you use your Onan generator, it's going to be extremely reliable for you. The new remote monitoring system is very cool for a lot of reasons. First of all, it makes install so much easier because it's a wireless unit, and we're not fishing wires through walls of RVs in order to install this. What it's going to do for the customer is it's going to give you the ability to set this up to where you can have the generator start itself automatically if there's a demand for temperature in the RV, if there's a demand for it because batteries are getting low on the RV. And now there's even a new app so you can put it on your phone and you can do all these things on your phone remotely, which is just a very cool invention for the RV industry.
How the Cummins generator works and being able to literally with a push of my finger turn the generator on is going to be really nice. I think the other nice thing too is with the Cummins you don't have to worry about if you're going to get to the racetrack and if it's not going to fire up or something's going to happen on it. Those things are super durable, so it makes life way less stressful having that thing, and definitely excited to have it.